Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Dado. So our today's topic is access modifier. Today date is 9 February. So in modifier there are two types. First one is access modifier and second one is non-access modifier. So in non-access modifier there are we have 7 types of non-access modifier. So they are used within the classes with or in methods or variables, constructors, etc. So it helps to JVM to get or it provides the information about their behavior to JVM, and it helps to execute or it easier way. So there are types as follows are: first one is statics, then next one is final, then abstract, then synchronize, then volatile, and so on. Then we will talk about access modifier. So first of all, access modifier, it is a public keyword. So it is used to access the classes, attributes, methods, and constructor. So in access modifier, their specific the scope, or it specifies the scope of field of methods, then constructors or class. So we can change the axis of level of fields, constructor, methods, and class just by applying access method. So mostly there are 4 types. First one is private, then second one is public, then default, then protected, and so on. So we will get started on first of all private. So in private, the access level of, as name suggested, it is only within the class, and access is within the class only. So other outsider class like package and so on cannot access the data. Then next one is default. So in default class or default modifier, the access level is within the package, so it cannot be accessed outside the package or any another class. So if we want to specify the access, then we should specify the default, so it provides the more accessibility than the private. Then it has more restrictions than protected and public. Then we will talk about protected. So in protected, the access level of protected modifier is within the package, and outside the package we cannot access it through the child class. So if we do not make any child classes, it is hard or impossible to access it outside the class. Then next one, the protected access modifier can be applied on the data members. So the constructor, it is only applied in classes. So it provides more accessibility than default modifier. So next one, we will talk about public. So in public modifier, the access level of the public modifier is everywhere. We can access it within the class, outside the class, or in package. So it is universal, or we can say it easily can access within the classes and so on. So here are the four types of